Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 10th of October. First of all, national news. This year, World Health Organization is campaigning on the theme Make mental health for all a global priority. To spread awareness on mental health, a 30-kilometer cycle rally called Cyclothon was held in Delhi on October 9. Delhi University Admission 2022 UG Merit List scheduled soon at du.ac.in. Assam government not to promote class 5-8 students if they fail annual exams. Karnataka NEET PG Counseling 2022 schedule released. President Draupadi Murmu wished more participation of female students in technical education. Punjab cops find ISI link in cross border drone delivery of explosives. Avoid Indian origin candidates. Infosys faced culture of bias suit in US. Bengaluru commuters protested surge fares by ride hailing service. Delhi App Minister resigned after row over presence at conversion event. And now some international news. Singapore to lift COVID restrictions on non-vaccinated people next week. North Korea fired more ballistic missiles, 7th in 2 weeks, Seoul. Flood evacuation order issued in Sydney after days of heavy rain. Putin signed order to increase security of Crimea. Bridge after explosion, a report said. Ukrainian troops involved in heavy fighting in key town, Zelensky said. Deliveries of F-35 fighter jets can resume following waiver, Pentagon said. Pak PM Shehbaz Sharif appeared before court in multi-million dollar money laundering case. And now some sports news. Borussia Dortmund snatch Bayern Munich, draw with last gasp Anthony Modest equalizer. Real Madrid, Juventus and Barcelona not giving up on controversial Super League. Max Verstappen targeted F1 domination after second world title. Goa to host 37th National Games in October 2022, confirmed Indian Olympic Association. IOC proposed appointed CEO in place of elected Secretary General in IOA. Now news related to business. Government to kick off FY24 budget, making exercise on October 10. Finance Minister mulls steps like auto-debiting other accounts of issuer to curb check bounce cases. Direct tax revenues up 16.3% at 7.45 lakh crore. Indian exporters keeping fingers crossed as recession clouds loom over EU. Global CEOs expect recession to be mild and shorter, KPMG survey. India-UK free trade agreement talk face deadlock over data, a report said. Now news related to science and technology. Chandrayaan 2 orbiter's class spectrometer maps abundance of sodium for the first time, ISRO said. Supercomputer hints moon was created in hours, not days, a report said. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.